Hi, my name is Richard Plunkett from the Puppet Geek, and have you ever wondered how headphones work? I know it's sort of a really odd question to ask, and I don't want to get all technical about it, but if I do miss something, please let us know in the comments. Now, picking the right headphone as well can be pretty difficult to begin with. You have a lot to consider: brand, budget, over the ear, on ear, driver size, wireless or wired. One last thing you have to think about when picking a headphone: Plantronics has partnered with Dolby to provide a Dolby Atmos for headphone license to enable select Plantronic headsets with Dolby Atmos audio on Windows 10 PCs and Xbox. How great is that? If you've ever tried virtual surround sound by Dolby before, you would know how impressive it is. Well, now with Dolby Atmos, it takes all that data from the audio mix and delivers an immersive experience to your stereo headphones to create a whole 3D environment, giving the illusion that the sound is coming from all around you. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so let's take a look inside and understand how this all works. Inside the headphone enclosure, this is the driver assembly. This part right here is a diaphragm, or the cone if referring to speakers. The diaphragm works by getting pulled back and forth rapidly, which then pushes the air surrounding the ear cup. Now, if you remember our previous video, sound is the sensation produced by stimulation of the organs or hearing by vibrations transmitted through air or other medium. To keep it simplified, when vibrated, this is what actually produces the sound. Now, depending on what type of headphone you're using, the driver may look slightly different from headphone to headphone, though each driver will have some sort of magnet similar to this. Now, what is important is this is a voice coil, which is made out of copper. Now, believe it or not, but a little bit of electricity travels through your headphones to make this coil move around inside the magnet, thus creating vibrations inside the diaphragm and creating sound. Now that we know how sound is created, each headphones have their own response to how it actually sounds like. As you know, not every headphone sounds exactly the same and will reproduce different sounds depending on their highs, mediums, and low range. Now, this is because headphones tend to have different frequency responses. This can be pretty confusing at first, but is also pretty easy to understand. Now, most headphone companies will have a frequency response graph either on the box or on their website. From here, you can see how the headphone will perform. In most gaming headsets, they might be a little bass heavy with the lows quite high, which sometimes can wash out the mids but also sound a bit muddy. Though, like these AKGs here, they have a flat range, meaning that they have their highs, mids, and lows at an equal sound stage. Now, this is great in certain scenarios, but not really great, for example, when gaming. Though Dolby Atmos works with any headphones with the Dolby Access app purchase, Plantronics has this covered and is truly Atmos ready with their new range of Rig 400, 600, as well as 800 LX headsets, which includes a Dolby Atmos code inside the box. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions regarding Dolby Atmos, leave a comment down below. Also, let me know. I know everyone has one pair of headphones that just seem to last the test of time. Let me know what headphone that is. If you just sit on them, you drop them, they just seem to keep on working. Now, stay tuned for more videos as well, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm Richard Plunkett from the Puppet Geek. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode. See ya.